Hello, this is Mike Dyson with Marine Max Sail and Ski in San Antonio. Excited to come to you today with a brand new 2021 Harris Cruiser 210. You might be looking at this boat saying, Mike, something is missing, and you would be right. We just received this boat today, haven't even had time to install the Bimini tops. So excited about the new Cruiser series that Harris has redone for 2021. I wanted to go ahead and get it on the floor and get a video made for y'all to take a look at. This is a 21, the 210. You'll notice it's a double pontoon model. We're going to stock this boat in a 21 with double pontoons, a 21 with triple pontoons, and then a 23 and 25 with triple tune as well. This boat's done in the black sapphire fence paneling and a platinum silver accent. You'll notice the style lines have changed for 2021. Really has a nice swooping line. The fence work that they've done has really come out nice. This has the Moonlight Gray interior, which is also new for this year, which works really well with the gray flooring. Beautiful boat all the way around. We stocked the boat with several options. A few of those include docking lights, your pop-up cleats. We always do the extended rear deck because it just gives you so much more usable space back here. When people are on the back of the boat, kids are jumping on and off, moving in from the dock, you've got lots of walk space there. That's one of our pop-up cleats as well. Notice we got the onboard battery charger, which is a maintainer that it'll keep the battery at the full charge without overcharging it. It'll shut itself off once the battery is completely full. Got the upgraded stainless steel 4-rung ladder. People love that that goes down deep in the water. It's got a nice angle to it so you don't feel like you're climbing up out of a hole. Nice wide footprint, good handles to grab onto. We powered this boat with the awesome Mercury 4-stroke 115 command thrust. That's fuel injected, ultra quiet, ultra efficient, extremely reliable. Turn the key and go. We've done the hydraulic steering as well to make operation a little easier for you. Some of the improvements to this model. This is the center walk-through dual helm seat design. Talked earlier about the style lines that they've done. They've integrated some cup holders back here for convenience. Really gives you a lot of usable features on the boat. We'll step on board real quick. For a 21-foot boat, it has a tremendous amount of room. We really like this center walk-through dual helm seat design on a 21 because it just feels like a bigger boat. You can set up and have groups conversation in the rear of the boat, in the front. Two people can ride down the lake side by side without the passenger having to sit sideways or facing to the rear of the boat. Those seats we've upgraded to the Ultralux HiBack. Really gives you a nice comfortable feel. They recline, they have folding armrests. They swivel as well, so you can swivel them around anytime you want. That Moonlight Gray interior is beautiful. They've done an excellent job using multiple colors, lots of intricate stitching. Got the Harris logo included there. One thing that you don't often find on a boat this size, or our competition seems to forget, integrated cup holders into the furniture. You don't have to have those movable cup holders that seem to always tip over when you don't want them to and get in the way when you don't want them to. One thing I noticed also is Harris has done everybody a favor and included 2 USB charging ports on every pod where there's a drink holder. We got lots of power options here. Easily the highlight of the new design is an all-new helm. Ergonomically designed to give you more leg space, more knee clearance as you're sliding into the seat, better visibility. They've dropped the gauges. They're still in line, but they've dropped them down off to the side so you have better visibility. We've got Lowrance Hook system on here, so we have sonar, FishFinder, GPS. Notice how your switches are all easy access right there. I love the placement of the throttle. It's just right in line where you want it. We've got the lockable Glovebox option, additional cup holder for the driver there. This is a tilt wheel, and because that seat will slide forward and back, and raise up and down. It should fit everybody. Fusion Bluetooth sound system with 6.5-inch speakers, really good clear quality sound. Hook it up to your Bluetooth and enjoy the music on the water. Oh yeah, look at this. Optional cell phone charger. You can lay your phone right here. It's got a non-skid surface, kind of like a SeaDeck material. Let your phone charge while you're having fun on the water. Nice new door this year. All stainless hardware, of course. All the Harris boats come with custom covers. Really, truly custom, fit the boat extremely well. Full wraparound seat up here, both sides. Optional privacy curtain here, so if you need to slip in and out of a wet swimsuit, you got a place to do that. Folds up nice and neat out of the way. The boat will come with a table. We wait till the boat's sold to decide where you want to mount the table, if you want the base to be up here in the front or we can put it in the back. This boat is available, it's ready to go. Beautiful design, nice improvements. Ready for your family to get on the water and have some fun. If I can assist in any way with excuse me, with this Harris pontoon or any of the others that we stock, happy to do so. All you got to do is call my cell phone. The number is 210-347-5768. Look forward to getting you on the water. Thanks again for stopping by to take a look at some of the key features and options on this particular boat. We're happy to help you with any boat we have in our inventory from our Austin, Lakeway, or San Antonio location. Feel free to contact me direct at area code 210-347-5768. We'll see you on the water.